Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to adjust monitor brightness in Windows directly from computer. Open Store. Click Apps, type Monit Orion in Store search bar. Install Monit Orion. Open Monit Orion. Open Monit Orion icon on Windows taskbar notification area. Screen recorder cannot record the brightness change. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.